rivers used to sing my name. Clear and free, they were never the same. Now they carry tears of dust and pain, calling out in the falling rain.
A force whisper, do you hear? Every broken toy sheds a tear.
The wind is tired of carrying smoke. The sky is heavy, the ground is broke. Still the earth believes in you and me to heal her wounds and set her free. Sunburn stronger than before. The ice is melting by the shore. Seasons lost their rhythm and song. The days feel strange, the nights too long.
The birds fly higher, searching for home. In a world we changed, a world unknown.
The soil is tired, the oceans rise. Truth is written in nature's eyes. Still there's hope in a planted seed, in every small loving deed.
Mother Earth is crying softly tonight, under the moon, under fading light.
She gave us food, she gave us air, but we forgot how much to care.
Listen closely, nature's plea. Save tomorrow, let the earth be free.
I am the mountain, I am the sea, I am the forest, I am the tree. I carried you when you were young. Now carry me till the damage is done.
If we slow down, if we choose to heal, the earth will rise, the earth will feel.
One small change, one honest start, a greener mind, a human heart. Mother Earth is calling out our name, not with anger, not with blame.
With love she asks us to repair, to walk more gently, to truly care for every child yet to be born. Protect this world we all call home.
Nature still believes in you and me.